data, can't sync data with cloud right now, Game Pass. 1. Restart your PC and Xbox app, close Subnautica 2 completely, end Xbox app tasks from Task Manager. Restart your PC before reopening the game. 2. Check Xbox server status. Verify Xbox cloud services are online. Wait if servers are under maintenance. Try syncing again later if outage exists. 3. Use stable internet connection. Connect through Ethernet if possible. Restart your router or modem. Disable VPN or proxy connections temporarily. Sign out and back into Xbox app. Open Xbox app settings. Sign out from your Microsoft account. Log back in with the correct account. 5. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Repair Xbox app from Advanced Options. Also repair gaming services. 6. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type wsrreset.exe, and press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen automatically. 7. Sync date and time automatically. Open Windows date and time settings. Enable set time automatically. Restart your PC afterward. 8. Verify and repair game files. Open Xbox app. Go to Subnautica 2, Manage, Files. Select Verify and Repair. 9. Delete corrupted local cache files. Backup save data before deleting anything. Remove damaged local sync cache files carefully. Relaunch the game to force cloud resync. Reinstall gaming services or the game. Uninstall gaming services or Subnautica 2. Restart your PC completely. Reinstall fresh copies and test syncing again.